Actually, I decided to create a series that explains many about Microsoft Dynamics CRM. This series not for CRM expert uh, or experienced CRM developer, but this series could be for a new developer uh, or a developer who has a strong experience for development, but he doesn't know about Microsoft Dynamics CRM, or for DevOps engineers that they are having good knowledge about DevOps, but they didn't work with Microsoft Dynamics before. So this will give them the overview. The series will give them an overview to start working. It's either with development in CRM or with DevOps. So this series for developers and DevOps engineers who they didn't work with CRM before.
My name is Mohammed Radwan. I'm a developer technologies MVP and principal DevOps consultant. I have been doing software development for more than 15 years now, worked on several projects for different enterprise customers across different regions and countries. I heavily participated in the community, developed several frameworks, presented many sessions, holding various certificates for Azure and DevOps. I started back in 2002 as a classic ASP developer, relocated multiple times in multiple countries, worked with several technologies and for different roles and positions. And for the last 8 years, I moved to consultancy-based role where I focused more on helping different companies, some of them from the Fortune 500, to improve their software development and delivery using DevOps and automation. I have developed and authored several frameworks, command line tools, and guides. You can find them on GitHub and Azure DevOps Marketplace. I like to share my experience. This is why I have a YouTube channel and blog where they have hundreds of videos and posts that share different topics from my real experience. I have presented many sessions in several user group conferences, events, and customer site as well in different countries. So I got the chance and the opportunity to work in different culture, project size, and company size as well, which helped me to have different experience. Here are some links for my activities.
Okay, this is why in my first video I will talk about what is Microsoft Dynamics CRM for developer whom had never worked with CRM before. And this will give an overview about some terminology, some tools, and some process, including of course the source control and the build integration, again with very high level and abstract view. The second part, it install Microsoft Dynamics CRM 365 for a developer machine on an Azure VM. In this video, I'm going to show you, because if you want to start developing Microsoft Dynamics CRM, the first step is, okay, I need a developer machine. I need to prepare the developer machine. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to install and prepare your machine.
You can watch this video for more information about DevOps, continuous integration and continuous delivery, and many others.
In another video, I'm going to create Hello World at Microsoft Dynamics CRM project. This is just a very simple project that you will use to create Hello World extensions, so you can understand the complete life cycle of the development of the CRM application. The next video is how to debug this application. I have created some videos about advanced debugging with remote debugging and with how to debug TFS plugins on a server side. So this will be the same as attaching to the process. So we will see how to debug a dynamic. So if you would work as a developer, if you are going to work as a developer, you need to have the ability to debug your application.
You can watch this video for more information about Git with animation. You will see different animated commands like branch, merge, rebase, cherry pick, and many others.
The next one is how to create unit test for Microsoft Dynamics CRM projects. So I will create just again a sample a unit testing so you can understand how to write your unit testing for your CRM. And the next one is to write JavaScript as well, so you can because part of the development of the Microsoft Dynamics CRM is a web resources where it includes many JavaScript, so it's better to start writing JavaScript unit testing as well. And the next is to how to create and run UI test for Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So also how to use that. So I will create an example for that. So this is just an overview about what I'm going to include in this series of the videos. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to visit my blog at muhammadradwan.com. Thank you.